In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Microsoft Copilot and AI prompts that actually work using the GCSE framework for better results. Let's dive right in and explore how to effectively utilize Microsoft Copilot by crafting strategic AI prompts that yield the results you desire. To begin, open your browser and navigate to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type Microsoft Copilot and hit Enter. You'll find a list of search results, and right at the top, there should be a link to the official Microsoft Copilot website. Go ahead and click on that link to open their site. Once you're on the Microsoft Copilot page, look for an option to upload files. You should see a plus sign icon, which is where you can upload any files necessary for the process. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a sales report, so you might want to have your sales data file ready to upload. Next, let's talk about crafting the perfect prompt using the GCSE framework. GCSE stands for Goal, Context, Source, and Expectation. Here's how to structure your prompt. Determine the goal, which is to create a clear and professional sales report that highlights performance, trends, risks, and gives actionable recommendations. Understanding the goal helps guide the AI's focus during the process. The next step is setting the context. This sales report will be shared with business leaders who need a quick understanding of quarterly results. By providing context, you ensure that the AI tailors its output to suit the intended audience and purpose effectively. Then, move on to identifying your sources. You'll want to add comprehensive information such as sales data, metrics, regional updates, product performance, customer insights, and any challenges encountered. This is crucial because the quality of the output greatly depends on the quality and depth of the input supplied to the AI. Finally, outline your expectations clearly. You're aiming for a well-structured sales report that includes an executive summary, the key metrics, regional analysis, product breakdown, customer trends, risks, and recommended actions. Clear expectations help the AI understand exactly what you want and align the output with your goals. Once your prompt is written and your file is uploaded, hit the Submit button. Copilot will process the information and, as you'll see, the results are impressively aligned with the specifications you laid out using the GCSE framework. This method ensures that the final output not only meets but exceeds expectations, demonstrating that well-crafted prompts are the key to leveraging AI tools like Microsoft Copilot effectively. With practice, you'll get more comfortable with this technique, refining your prompts to generate even better results. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to harness the full potential of AI in your work.